Welcome to our video on how to achieve a flat stomach after the age of 40. As we get older, it can be harder to maintain a toned midsection, but don't worry, it is not impossible. In this video, we will be sharing tips and strategies on how to control your portion sizes, exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, manage stress, get enough sleep. Our goal is to help you achieve a flatter stomach and boost your confidence. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to achieve your fitness goals at any age. Number 1. Avoid big portion size. Eating too much can cause your stomach to stretch and lead to a bulging belly. Consuming more calories than your body needs can lead to weight gain and fat accumulation in the abdominal area. Excess calories are stored as fat. The more you consume, the more likely you are to gain weight and develop a big tummy. Eating large portion sizes can make you feel overly full and uncomfortable, which can lead to bloating and discomfort in the abdominal area. To control portion sizes and avoid overeating, try using smaller plates and measuring out your food. Pay attention to serving sizes and be mindful of how much you're eating. Try to eat slowly and savor each bite, which can help you recognize when you've had enough to eat. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help burn calories and reduce belly fat. Exercise increases your metabolism, which helps burn more calories even when you're not working out. Regular exercise can help build muscle mass, which increases your overall body weight and can help reduce belly fat. Exercise targets the abdominal area specifically, which helps tone and strengthen the muscles in that area. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or strength training, every day. Always check with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Number 3. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet high in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce belly fat. Fruits and vegetables contain fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full, which can help to reduce overall calorie intake. Lean protein such as fish, poultry, and beans can help to build muscle mass, which can increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Whole grains are rich in important nutrients such as vitamins and minerals, and they are also a good source of fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and reduce your risk of overeating. Avoiding foods high in sugar and saturated fat can also help to reduce belly fat. Eating a healthy diet that is well balanced in nutrient can help to control hunger and support weight loss efforts. A healthy diet can also provide you with the essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally, which can help to improve your overall health and well-being. Number 4. Avoid stress. Stress can cause your body to release cortisol, a hormone that can lead to belly fat. Cortisol can lead to an increase in appetite, which can cause you to eat more and gain weight in the abdominal area. Stress can also disrupt your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar, which can lead to insulin resistance and fat accumulation in the abdominal area. Stress can also cause changes in your body's metabolism, which can lead to weight gain and fat accumulation in the abdominal area. Stress can also lead to emotional eating, where people tend to eat high-calorie foods in response to stress. It's worth mentioning that to combat the effects of stress on belly fat, it's important to manage stress through relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing, and other stress relief activities. Consult with a healthcare professional if you feel like your stress levels are impacting your physical and mental health. Number 5. Proper sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger and metabolism, leading to overeating and weight gain. Lack of sleep can slow down metabolism, making it harder to burn calories and reduce belly fat. Enough sleep leads to healthier food choices and energy to engage in physical activity. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Number 6. Working with a nutritionist or trainer. A nutritionist can help you understand which foods to eat and which to avoid in order to lose weight and reduce belly fat. They can also help you create a balanced diet plan that includes all the necessary nutrients your body needs. A trainer can help you design an exercise plan that is tailored to your goals and fitness level. They can also help you with proper form and technique to avoid injury while doing exercises that target the abdominal area. A trainer can also help you create a workout plan that includes both cardio and strength training exercises, which are essential for weight loss and reducing belly fat. A trainer can also monitor your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. A nutritionist or trainer can also help you with lifestyle changes and strategies to overcome emotional eating, stress, or other psychological issues that may be holding you back from reaching your goals. In conclusion, by combining healthy diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, belly fat can be reduced. Consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes and have patience. Consistency is key. Thank you for watching.